Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make reels on Facebook. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and click your profile and we're going to look for reels. So you're going to go ahead and scroll down, click see more, and you're going to look for reels. There you go. Now go ahead and click that one. Now, once you see it, you're just going to go ahead and tap this button in here. This is a camera button, and this is how we are going to create a reel. Now, you have there are different options. You can basically click the camera and basically start recording from your own or from the scratch. Now, if you want to upload, you can definitely close this one, and we're going to go ahead and just choose something. Say, for example, I'm going to choose this particular video here. Now, you have the options here to add audio, text, effects, stickers, and save it. But in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and add an audio here. Click add music. Of course, you can definitely add your own voiceover still from there, but basically this is just what I want. Now, once everything is done, once you've added everything that you want to add, you can just go ahead and click next, just like so. And basically what you're going to do is just configure the settings here. Now, describe your reel, so go ahead and try to put hashtags in here. Now, say for example you're done configuring everything, just go ahead and click share now. Alright, as you can see, it is uploading right now, so we're just going to wait for it. And it's done. Now we're going to go ahead and click our profile. And we're going to wait for our reels to appear in here. Alright, there you go. As you can see, we now have our reels and it says that it is uploaded right now. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And yep, that is how it goes, everybody. So yeah, congratulations everybody. Now you know how to make reels on Facebook.